following was recorded during the live Q&A session after Arnold's Tech Talk, Thin Metals and Battery Technology. You can find the link to the full presentation, including more in-depth Q&A, in the video description below.
How thin can you roll battery foils, such as stainless, titanium, copper, aluminum, nickel alloys, etc., while still achieving a 12 to 15-inch width?
Yeah, no, another good question. Again, I think that the evolving demand of battery applications is requiring wider width materials than you might be able to see on the market in past years. So to be able to get a metal continuously rolled down to a 3 or 4/10 of a thousandth, which is 0.003 or 0.004 of an inch. To achieve that is very difficult, and typically other re-rolling facilities similar to our Precision Thin Metals PTM division struggle to do that anywhere beyond maybe a 4-inch or an 8-inch wide. We can get out to 15 inches and occasionally a little wider, out to 17 or so, but to be able to package up and roll material to a 3 or 4/10 of a thou at 15 inches wide, without any kind of extended slitting across the width after that or too many added steps, I think is really big and plays into the market needs well.